Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to uninstall programs or application on Windows 10. Let's see how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon so that you can get the useful videos and the notification. From my laptop or desktop, I just open the program called Start menu. I just click the Start menu. I have lot and 4 programs. Whatever program I have installed, everything will be displayed over here. If I would like to uninstall the particular program, I just right click on the program. Automatically it will ask you to pin to start more and uninstall. So once you click uninstall, it will direct you to the application future. So wherever your installation, wherever you want to uninstall the software, the application, automatically you can just right click on that and uninstall and change your program. So once you click uninstall, automatically your uninstall process will be start over here. So geo maintenance, remove the application from the system. So you can able to select this option and you can able to click OK, means automatically your application will be uninstalled easily. So this is one of the easy step. Just to click the start menu, whatever information, whatever application you don't want, just right click on that and just click uninstall. Once you click uninstall, automatically it will direct you to the program and uninstall program option. So whether you can able to choose the program and click uninstall, automatically your uninstall will be processed. And second step, just click start menu and go to the setting option in your computer. Just select your application. So here this is my setting window. So here there will be a system, device, phone, network and personalized application, uninstall, default and optional features. Just hit the button application. Automatically whatever application you have installed, everything will be displayed over here. The same option only, but this is a different kind of option. So here you can choose which program you don't want, which application you want. Just hit the button and you can click uninstall. Automatically uninstall will be processed. This application is related to will be uninstalled. So you can select and uninstall whatever program you want. So you don't want any other program, just hit the button uninstall and click uninstall. Automatically uninstall will be processed within a second, as you see. Yes, so this is the second step. And third step, you want to uninstall, just click start menu and run. So this is a run option. Just hit the button and you will find an option called run. So just it Windows or automatically a run option will come. Just type control. Once you type control, automatically it will direct you to the control panel of your Windows application. This is a Windows 10, so you have 3 options to uninstall. So this is the last option, control panel. So once you click the control panel, automatically the programs will have the uninstall option. Once you click uninstall, automatically uninstall and change program will be displayed over here. So you can able to select the program, which program you don't want. Just hit the button and you can select uninstall option. Automatically your program will be uninstalled through this option. So this is an easy step. Using these 3 steps, you can able to uninstall your application or the software using your Windows 10 or desktop or laptop. Thanks for watching. Have a great and good day.